This is currency, so I'm in the UK, so I could put pound signs, or you could put US dollars there. It's created the extra decimal places, which we may not want. So in that case, you can just click on this one, which is decrease decimal, to get rid of the decimal places. Percentages. I don't use this very often, but supposing we're doing a report, maybe there is a sales tax or VAT at 20%. So here we have a formula, so equal that number times 0.2, and add this together. Now, supposing we wanted to have this VAT rate here, so I've put in 0.2 there, but it's just showing the 0 because it's formatted as 0. So we need to click there to show that it's 0.2, but we can show that as a percentage. Clicking there, 20%, which is the same thing as 0.2. It's just a question of how you format that. So you can either show it as 20% or 0.2. It's the same thing, it just looks different on the sheet.